Hello my supporters, I hope you're doing really well. Today I'm here to share with you my dad's mutton paya recipe. I tried my best to make this video as short as possible, so I'm not wasting your time, so let's just get on with the recipe. So here he's got about 1.5 kilo of paya, which was already cleaned from the butcher. Now he's just washing it really well. It's very rare to find the clean one, so bear that in mind that you probably have to spend a lot of time preparing it if you buy the uncleaned ones. Anyways, as you can see from the title, this is one pan recipe, which means it's going to be really simple to make at home and it's also not time consuming. I highly recommend for you to try this recipe. I promise you this is the best paya recipe you will ever have, because I tried in restaurants and I tried at my family friend's house. Nothing was better than this. Anyways, I think I'm getting carried away, so let's just move on and let me show you the ingredients that he used. So 1 medium chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and finally 1 pack of Paya Masala. So my dad is going to use Laziza brand, but it doesn't really matter which brand you use. Just to be clear, we are not sponsored for this brand. There are actually 2 packets inside and he's going to use only one of them. Now it's time to combine everything really well. I'm not quite sure if you can tell, but this is a pressure cooker that he's using. Trust me, my dad is a great cook. I highly recommend you to try this recipe because this is one of his signature dish and the other one is biryani. It is so amazing. Anyways, as you can see, the masala is coated really well on the paya. Now he's going to add 5 glasses of normal water in here. We all know that this dish is so delicious, but at the same time it's quite fatty and it's also rich as well, so it's usually served for special occasions. But the good thing is it has so many medicinal benefits that are regularly recommended for your nutritional purposes. So I think you should definitely have it at least once a month. Anyways, now it's time to put the lid on and cook this for about 1 hour in a pressure cooker on medium flame. When I posted a picture of this dish on my Instagram, I had so many messages and you guys wanted to know what's the recipe. So I just wanted to say thank you for your motivation. Finally, I have arranged some time with my dad to bring this on for you. Anyways, it's been more than 1 hour, so now let's release all the pressure from the pressure cooker and then I'm going to open it and see what it looks like. Oh wow, that looks so good. Now this will need really good mixing for about a minute and then it will be ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my dad's recipe today. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram, it's called Suriya_Haq, H-A-Q-U-E. Paya is perfect with soft bread, chapatis or even rotis to soak in all the delicious flavors. Anyways, I'm going to go and enjoy this paya with my family. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate your time. I will see you soon in my next video, so take care till then.